In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva lagging. If Canva has been stuttering, freezing, or responding slowly while you're editing, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, you can fix it pretty quickly without needing any advanced technical skills. The goal here is to figure out whether the problem is coming from Canva itself or from your own device and browser, and then make a few simple adjustments to improve performance. First, open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. This is Canva's official status page, and it lets you check whether their systems are currently having issues. Take a look at areas like site performance and media delivery. If there's an active outage or slowdown showing there, the lag may not be on your side at all. And the best thing to do is wait for Canva to resolve it. But if everything is showing as normal, then you can move on knowing the issue is likely local. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cached files and site data can build up over time and cause Canva to behave sluggishly, especially if you work on large designs or use the platform often. In your browser, click the menu in the top right corner and choose the option to clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time, then select cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. This helps remove outdated browser data that may be interfering with Canva's performance. After that, check your browser's hardware acceleration setting. In your browser settings, look for the System or Advanced section and find the option called Hardware Acceleration, or use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it's turned off, switch it on. This allows your browser to use your computer's graphics hardware to handle more of the visual workload, which can make Canva feel much smoother, especially when working with videos, animations, or detailed designs. If Canva is still lagging, close any unnecessary tabs or background web apps you have open. Too many active tabs can eat up memory and reduce the resources available for Canva. Freeing up RAM can make a noticeable difference right away. Finally, go back to Canva and do a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to reload the page with fresh data instead of relying on old temporary files. Once the page reloads, check that Canva shows all changes saved, then test your design by moving elements around the canvas to see if everything feels smooth again. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.